Welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So in this tutorial you are going to learn how can you delete records on the basis of inner join. That means you are going to delete some record from one table which are totally dependent on the other table. Okay, so we always try to keep normalization in our database and maintain table relationship for each record as possible. To maintain normalization, we always put our records in more than one tables by making relationship between them which are highly tied up mostly on primary key and foreign key relationship. Sometimes sometimes it is become very urgent to us to remove matching records from one table based on the other table records, and then these relationship comes into the picture. So to understand how we are going to do, we are going to create two tables. One is our employee master and another is your department. So in both tables we are going to use dept id as a common key in both tables. So let's create this table. First of all, we are going to create a employee master, and then we are going to insert some records over here. Let's insert some records into this table and then select these records. Now we have a employee table. Now we are going to create another table, that is department. So dept id and department name, there are only two columns it has. Okay, now we are going to insert some record like account, department name, account, finance, it and admin. Okay, let's select all the records from this table, that is your department. Now let's open new query window and copy this statement. Okay, and then we are going to make a relationship with the department table by using inner join. So here we are going to create a alias of employee table, and here dept id is common. Okay, so we are going to use inner join. The name of the table is department. Okay, and we are going to create alias for this, dept on emp.dept id equal to dept id. Let's bring department name from the department table. Okay, let's execute this statement. Now we are going to delete all the records where department name is admin. So we are going to put this condition equal to admin. So here you can see we have just put where condition in the select statement like this. Now we want to delete only this record where department name equal to admin. So let's open a new query window and copy this statement, the select statement. Now we want to use delete statement, delete clause. So we are going to use delete. Now we want to delete all the records from employee master where department name equal to admin. So let's copy this alias and put it after delete, and before executing this statement pass it. So that means our statement is correct, then execute this statement. Okay, now you can see one row affected, and go back to our select statement window, and here you can see there is no records. Okay, so guys, you can see it is very easy to delete records from one table on the basis of another table, uh, some matching conditions, so you can utilize this feature as well by using inner join. Okay, please like, share and comment. If you have any question, we are here to help you. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching us.